Hello everyone, welcome to ARk Automation. Are you going to install WinCC 8.1 on your system? Are you facing trouble during installation? Did you get an SQL Server error or any other issue while installing? If yes, then this video is made for you. In today's video, I will guide you step by step to fix the most common WinCC 8.1 installation problem. The first thing we will do is check the OS version, and the answer is Windows 11. After that, our next troubleshooting step will be to check the exact error statement shown during installation, because identifying the correct error is the key to applying the right solution. These errors usually occur because the SQL components required for WinCC 8.1 are not installed properly, or the setup is not able to detect the right database service. One of the most common issues is related to the disk sector size. Many modern NVMe SSD drives use an advanced sector format that SQL Server sometimes cannot handle during installation. Because of this, the SQL setup stops, throws an error, or fails to create the required database files. Now to start for solution. Open command prompt as administrator. Write command for check sector size of C drive, as shown in screen. Check result of sector size. Check details in this area. Each sector should be required 4 kilobits only. If it different in size will be problem for SQL installation. Let's correct it. First of all we add registry key to force sector size to 4 kilobyte. Run command to add registry. Restart computer. Open command prompt as administrator. Write command for check sector size of C drive, as shown in screen. Check result of sector size. Check details in this area. Now all sector size 4 kilobits only. Now problem is solved. Installation will be done properly. More information about how to install WinCC 8.1 go to previous video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe. It really supports the channel.